Let's see how to withdraw some money from your wallet and send it to another one. To do that, just go to your portfolio here and then click on the Send button. Here is where you need to enter the address where you want to send your money. In my case, I go back to my Phantom wallet, click on Receive and just copy the address. This is the address where I'm going to send the Solana. Enter the address and select a token to send. In this case, I want to send Solana to my Solana address. And now, just as a test, I'm going to send 0.01 Solana. Here below, you can see the estimated gas fees. This is the amount you're going to pay to execute the transaction and send it on the Solana blockchain. Click on Send. To send, you need your two-factor authentication enabled. You'll be prompted to confirm it. I'm going to receive an email with a code to confirm. Paste and click on Send. After this, you're going to see a summary of your transaction. That means the transaction has been sent to the blockchain and is now being executed.